Knee regeneration is so vitally important, especially with athletes. We're going to notice a lot of concerns, and as we get older, that the meniscus starts to wear down in the knee joints. All right, the meniscus is right between the femur and the tibia, all right? That attachment site in between right here is that cartilage. And the problem is a lot of people think that the knee works like a hinge, and it doesn't. It just doesn't go like that. It actually works like a screw. And the medial part actually is able to rotate twice as much as the lateral portion. Therefore, that medial meniscus really takes a grunt of that stress. And a lot of people start to develop knee concerns pretty young in their age based on their stress levels. So this is an ideal exercise to regenerate that cartilage and to build stability in these ligamentous structures. So how we do that is we use an ankle weight. And again, for the weight right here, 5 to 10 pounds is appropriate, all right? So 5 to 10 pounds per ankle, because you're gonna wanna do both at the same time. And we're gonna put this on over her foot. Give me a little push there, Laura. There we go. And we'll fasten it there. Perfect. Now we'll do the other one. All right, now that we got them on, this is ideal. So we got about 5 to 10 pounds. This is about 7.5 on each ankle. And all she's gonna do is lightly rock in a cross crawl fashion, just like this, back and forth. And she's gonna do this for about 10 minutes. You can start out by doing it 5 minutes if you really feel that tension right there, that stress, but you wanna work on doing about 10 minutes daily. And again, this is what's gonna help to regenerate that cartilage, especially that medial meniscus that takes the grunt of the stress. Now again, she's doing this cross crawl fashion to incorporate both the left and the right side of the brain. So this is ideal. This is super, super important, guys. Now I wanna demonstrate her doing it wrong, okay? And the only way to do it wrong is that she's using her big muscles. So she's actually incorporating her quad muscles and her patella is lifting. That's inappropriate. Please don't do that. Just nice and relaxed, back and forth. Just let it traction, just like that. Again, that's going to help to get that super filtrated blood back into that cartilage that has a low blood supply, get those nutrients in there, and over time you will rebuild that cartilage.